Hello and welcome to the Growing Gamer Guide. We are here to help parents protect their children online by helping them set up parental control apps and teaching their children how to be safe online. We can help set up parental controls on video game consoles like the PlayStation, Xbox and the Nintendo Switch. These parental controls can set up time limits, age limits and set spending restrictions so your child is not spending real money on digital money. We can also help parents with parental control apps which can be installed on your child's smartphone or other devices. These parental control apps can also set up time limits, age limits and restrict spending, but they can also help you monitor your child's messaging and see your child's location. Now, while parental control apps are good, if you use them alone and don't educate your children on the dangers of the online world, then they can fall for scams, blackmail and other dangers whenever they get older and don't have their parents looking out for them. That is why we also help parents educate their children on how to be safe online and the dangers to look out for. If you are interested in anything we have to offer, you can go to the Growing Gamer Guide website, link in the description, and see what we have to offer. We will continue to upload videos and shorts to this here channel, so I hope you will subscribe and follow for more coming in the future. Goodbye for now.